Let me show y'all. Yeah, they look real good. They look good. I'm gonna put the beef in with the noodles. And then the teriyaki gravy, I'm gonna put some flour in it to get it a little thickened. And then I'm gonna pour these. Well, I'm gonna put the flour. Well, you know what? I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna pour that in there now. And then I'm gonna thicken it. Okay. Take some. See what I'm missing. Ain't really missing nothing. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, let them tell a friend, and their friend tell a friend to subscribe to Tasty T's Kitchen. And you know, peace. My meal is finished. Today it was quick and easy. I have pepper steak with fettuccine.